Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix chai token limit reached. So let's get started. First, you need to know why this happens. Chai limits include number of messages per day, total tokens including input and output text both, free tier usage. So that means that long chats equal to more tokens and that means faster limit hit. So how you can fix it or bypass it? So the first most common fix is waiting for reset. Limit usually reset daily or after a few hours. This is the easiest solution. You can also start a new chat. Old conversations use more tokens because of context. You can start a new chat, that means fresh token usage. And you can shorten your prompts such as explain crypto trading basics in 3 points. Less tokens mean more usage. Or you can simply upgrade to Premium. Chai Premium gives higher limits, faster responses, only real way to consistently avoid limits. And also, you can reduce conversation length, long back and forth chats stack tokens, clear or restart chats frequently. Even if you clear the app cache, reinstall the app, use VPN, log in, log out, these don't reset token limits. So you can ask short specific questions, avoid pasting huge text blocks, and use multiple small chats instead of one long chat. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.